Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are live at the junkyard. Tractor junkyard. Ooh, big tractor. Well, yeah, we were looking for Ford tractor parts today. Maybe some Dodge truck parts. So we were at a different junkyard than we were at before. And it's very sandy here. And it's still just as hot. So, what's the trailer tires? Trailer axles. Looks like that plow's been there for probably Reagan administration. We're looking for Ford tractor parts. I don't know if I see any in there. Let's see if I can get a better view in there. There's like a bunch of John Deeres and Masseys. At least the wind is here today. The wind is nice. I like wind. An old deer. Some foreign stuff. Furrow. Oh, I did not see any Fords. I guess we'll have to keep walking. But yeah, we go on junkyard adventures like this all the time. So we always see new stuff too. We'll be sure to take you guys along. We got lots of them to go to. Got a big old section of doors and fenders. There's a Datsun tailgate. There's probably somebody out there that needs that. Another Massey Ferguson. Another pile of axles. Not seeing any Fords yet though. I was hoping for a big old mess of Fords. Looks like this might be the place to come pit the tractor section when it's spring or late fall. It's a little overgrown. That's alright. Keeps people from taking parts off. Oh, what is that? Some custom of some sort. Clipper custom, that's cool. Never heard of a clipper before. Got a Fairlane. Skyline? Skylark, not Skyline. Comet. This big old bolt says it got 327 in it. Oh, looks like there's a Chevelle right there. I don't know my Chevys very well, but it kind of looks Chevelle-ish. It says Chevy on it. There's some kind of convertible over there too. Notice today I won't be going through the thick brambles. Somebody was stupid and wore shorts. Oh, Mercury. I think Alan Jackson said it best. He's going to buy himself a Mercury and drive it down the road. I don't think these ones are driving down the road though. That's cool. Old fire trucks. Old fire trucks. I like it. I seen something up here. That's why I was walking up here. This sand is really loose, so my hip and stuff are enjoying it. What do we got over here? I knew I seen something moparish. Oh yeah. 69 Roadrunner, 68, I don't know, Roadrunner. Power steering. Fancy. Fancy, fancy. Maybe it was. Looks like it was a 4-speed. No, maybe. I don't know. I'm not good with B-bodies. This one does not have a quarter. Does not have a quarter. This is what, another 69?
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Sunday Coffee.
Oh, Ruben's talking. Manual steering car, AC. That's neat. Some different options. Thrush. That's cool. That's cool. It is a Roadrunner. Look how high it is in the back. That's cool. Doesn't late in the cord. It's got traction bars though, so you know it's a race car. Definitely a race car. It's got some nice trunks, except for that one. Or trunk, yeah. That's a good project for somebody. Wonder if it was original blue. Dash needs a little bit of work. So is the driver's seat. Still cool though. Oh, let's go back the way we came and yeah, find some more cool stuff. Then I walk down further. There's some Chevys, I think. Stewed. El Camino. Or 7. Little rally wheel sticking out. Oh yeah. Very sandy here. I think my boot has a leak in it. Feel some sand in my socks. Not the greatest feeling. Where's the tractors already? Goodness. This is a lot of walking. I'm too fat for most of this. There's the tractors we looked at earlier. Ain't no Fords in there. It's a race car right there. One of them there Mustangs. Scoop on it. It's green. You got green interior. That's neat. Amazing stuff you can just find wandering around. Candy van. I wouldn't mind me a couple vans. Turn them into sheds. Look at that one there. It's got a bunch of old wood in it. Perfect. Well, that one's all there. See? A wheelchair. That's about what I need nowadays. Oh, where are we going this way? Let's go this way. Uphill. There's an old Chevy pickup. Oh boy. We're getting into the kings of the trailer park here. You rock Camaros. There's square bodies over there. Luminous. Oh yeah. Talk about just, yeah. T-tops. Nice. That's a pretty cool one scoop. I didn't even know they came with those. Oh, looks like there's a one of them fiberglass units over there. And another one. Looks like they got eaten up a little bit. Oh, what are we going to look at now? Still haven't found the Ford tractor section. Oop, there's some Dodge trucks. Might have to go take a peek at those. Trans Am. Fire chicken. Oh, I see a Ram Charger. We're gonna have to go that way. Now, who leveled this ground? Jeez. Okay.
It was at this point we found nothing else good in the junkyard. So we went back to the Roadrunners. But as always, appreciate you guys watching. This has been another episode of Dutch Guy's Garage. And if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. This is just another one of our junkyard trips. So, appreciate you guys watching. And always remember, they don't move until you do. And that's the God honest truth. Catch you guys on the next one.